John Harrison, and the CEO and owner here at Parlee Cycles. Today we're going to spend a little bit of time talking about our custom bike process. Custom bikes have been a huge part of Parlee's history, and it's a huge part of who we are and what we're committed to. When a customer orders a custom bike from us, the whole process starts right here with Lyndall.
As of now, I am the Custom Fabrication Manager. I take care of pretty much everything in-house, spanning from production of the Z-Zeros to repaints, to repairs, to management of fabrication and paint departments. The steps for the custom fabrication process begin on the computer with a CAD drawing of certain spec of a customer. And we take everything into consideration: your height, your weight, your riding style, how compliant you want your bicycle, how stiff you want your bicycle. And we take all that information and output it into your perfect frame. To make the actual frame itself, we do everything in-house, starting from flat pieces of carbon. So the first step in the actual fabrication process would be bringing it out to the floor, reading the drawing, and understanding what kind of tubes you need to make. Is it a compliant tube? Is it a stiff tube? Is it an extra large tube? And we cut all of that with our automation system, the Automatrix, and it all starts at flat pieces of carbon fiber that are pre-impregnated with resin. We take everything from that process and move it to our heated tables, and that's where we make each part of our custom carbon fiber frames. At this stage of the process, I use the heated table so I can make the carbon compliant, and I fit it all into the molds. So I start prepping and laying up and getting the specific layups that the rider needs. So the way we make our pieces of carbon fiber for our custom bikes is we use bladder and compression molding. Most of the time we use those at the same time, and we make them individualized for each rider. Once I finish laying up all the carbon fiber in the mold, we close it and I move it over to our press that heats the molds up to 250 degrees and puts the pressure on, and that's where the compression molding and the bladder molding happens. Once everything is mitered to size based on an individual's drawing, it is all sent to assembly, where Ramel, our master bike builder, will put it together and create the frame.